Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to share a easy and budget friendly sand toy organization. I have this giant sand toy box over sand box over here, and I don't have any more storage bins because I threw out the one that was here because it has kind of deteriorated. So I need to find a way that I can store some of this stuff. I know maybe the big trucks won't go in, but a way that will be easily accessible to the kids, and that the rain will not sit in it. So I searched and I had come up with a solution with the help of Pinterest, and I had purchased these bins from a Dollar Tree. So they were $1.25. And I also have these hooks, or what are these called? Code hooks from Dollarama, and I think they were 2 packs for $1.50. 2-pack with 2 of them in it, and they were gold, so I just spray painted them black. I actually spray painted them black for a different project, but these were left over. So, and another thing I'm gonna need is a screw gun and a piece of wood. You will also need a measuring tape, a level, and a pencil. So let's get started. So what I have done here, I have measured the width of the baskets, and then I make sure that they fit. So I hope I did this right. So I'm going to put a hanger here that I measured, and then I added 2 inches to that. Then I measured the half of the width to here. So I'm going to put another hanger here. That one ends here, 2 inches, and then the third one hangs here. I hope it works out. I think that turned out pretty good. They have holes on the bottom, so the rain will just fall right through, and it won't hold sand either. So I think it's a great solution, and I'm not too worried if the baskets get damaged and I have to replace them every year, because they are only $1.25. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and press the notification button for more videos like this so you don't miss them when they get posted. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.